Hello everyone, I would like to welcome Professor Shubhashree Savant, who is the head of Master of Computer Application Department at Marathawada Institute of Technology. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being on our platform and taking out your time to be a part of an initiative Thoughts on Education. This initiative will help to bridge the long due gap between the vision of the top management and the students. So, ma'am, first of all, I would like to have your introduction and please brief us about your profile.
Thank you, Neha. Warm greetings from Marathawada Institute of Technology, Aurangabad. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Neha. Warm greetings from Marathawada Institute of Technology, Aurangabad. It's my pleasure to represent as the head of Computer Applications Department in MIT. I am Shubhashree Savant, associated with this department from last 12 years. I am having 20 years of teaching experience in this field. My expertise in this field of computer programming, image processing, and open source technologies.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, should we start with the interview?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my first question to you is that what are the programs that you're offering in your department which will help students to outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
Okay. The Department of Computer Application initiated MCA program in 2008 to provide opportunities to urban as well as rural students in the field of information technology. Now, there are two programs run under this department. One is Master of Computer Applications, that is MCA, postgraduate program affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathawada University, Aurangabad, and another is Bachelor of Vocational in Software Development, that is BO, Software Development, undergraduate program affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that what are the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt?
Yes. As we are running two programs, so when we talk about the MCA, it is a 2-year postgraduate program. It is an application-oriented course with 4 semesters. Each semester, they learn one project-based application. And in their last semester, students have an in-plant training included in their curriculum, wherein students work on live projects in a company. As we all know that in all streams of technologies like mechanical, electronics, electrical, civil uses the software tools. To fulfill this purpose, this program becomes a unique way to get into any of the fields. Like another program, BO, it is a 3-year undergraduate program. Vocational or skill-based education is becoming more and more significant in the current times. BOK is an emerging course in India that aims at providing adequate skills required for the particular trade. The course is different from traditional academic programs like BSc, BCom, as it deals more with application-based studies rather than focusing on only theoretical knowledge. And one of the biggest advantage of pursuing BO against common degree courses is that candidate has multiple exit points during the program. Now this means that if candidate is unable to complete their BO course, they will be still awarded a diploma after successful completion of first year or advanced diploma after successful completion of second year.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that what will you say the best practices in the course you are offering?
TGS, that is a teacher guardian scheme, has been introduced to have one-to-one interaction with students. For a batch of about 15 to 20 students, a teacher is assigned a role of teacher guardian. Now, teacher guardian works as a friend, philosopher, and a guide for the students. TG encourages the students to participate in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. TG also counsels the students to solve difficulties encountered not only in college campuses, but in their personal lives too. The teacher's guardian acts as a mentor to students and offers them emotional and academic supports along with motivation. Focus is to give the overall personality development of the students. Another innovative practices we are having in teaching learning, we using the information and communication technology, that is ICT. Various ICT techniques have been implemented in the teaching learning process, like flipped classroom is there. Another is think, pair, share. Also, students and faculties are encouraged to take online MOOC courses offered by NPTEL, IIT Bombay X, Spoken Tutorial, Coursera, EDX, IBM, and many more. We also conduct various skill development programs like industrial visits, industrial training, hands-on workshops, various webinars for students, which helps them to bridge the gap between industry and academics.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, please share with us some valuable insights of the program that you're offering at your department.
MCA students have in-plant training included in their curriculum, as we have discussed, wherein students work on live projects in a company in their last semester. Similarly, in BIOC's curriculum, there is a concept known as OJT, on-job training. So this on-job training for BIOC students in every semester helps the students to enhance their skill sets. And this training will be provided, is being provided by corporate trainers. BIOC opens multiple doors for the students during and after the completion of the course. The course deals more with the application-based studies rather than theoretical knowledge.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that how does the program ensure that the students are being prepared for the future?
The curriculum of MCA is designed keeping an objective of the contents are useful for the students to meet the requirements of industry for next 10 to 15 years. For example, there are machine learning, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, data science, etc. In last semester, students have in-plant training included in their curriculum wherein students work on live projects in a company. Besides this, students accomplish NPTEL certifications, Red Hat certifications, AWS certification, which helps them to seek good placements. As a result of this, our students get selected in top reputed companies, government sector jobs. Few have their own startups also. Some of them have gone for their higher education like MPhil, PhD. Thus, the department boasts of intelligent alumni. The course curriculum of BIOC, when we talk about the BIOC, it is industry-based, which contains about 40% of theory, that is general education, and 60% of vocational training, that is practical components. So more focus is given on doing things. So this means that apart from studying the regular curriculum, all students need to undergo industrial training or project work for at least 4 to 8 weeks in every semester. So industry connect training is given in each semester for these BIOC students.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that how did you train the faculty to deliver this program to the students?
The backbone. That is, the faculty of our institute is well competent, experienced, research-oriented and dedicated team working together for the betterment of the students in the form of developing successful professional and good human beings out of them. So faculty members are trained via FDP, STPP workshops. Our faculty members participate in various national and international conferences to enhance their knowledge and competence. Along with this, they are having national and international publications also. Faculty used to adapt various teaching learning techniques, methodologies for online as well as offline modes of teaching. For example, flipped classroom, as it is one of the ICT tool. So this flipped classroom concept where we provide the videos and teaching material in advance to the students on the topic that the students prepares at home. And in the classroom, we have their discussion on that topic and the query session with the students.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, the next question is that how do you tend to build an industry connect with this program?
Regarding Industry Connect, the MCA program has a full semester dedicated to in-plant training of students where the student is assisted by our institute for getting the placed for IPT. So here students directly work on a live project in company. So this practice has been going on since last 10 years. Ultimately, we got a huge database and good reputation with local and outstation companies. Industry Connect forces industry collaboration with universities and colleges to help design, develop, and deliver modules for training students in a way that they are made industry ready. MOU is one of the factors that tend to build the industry connect. The department invites key personalities from industries for student-industry interaction. This is done with the help and the support of the institute. These interactions continuously explore the opportunities of industrial visits, summer trainings, corporate lectures, with a focus on direct application of curricular concepts to augment and enhance the effectiveness of the curriculum for the students. The students are taken for industrial visits from time to time to keep them abreast of the latest developments.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, the next question to you is that what are the types of projects that the students are working on through this program?
Our students are actively work on the projects like web development, Android development, cloud computing, which not only gives them opportunities to showcase their creativity, but it also enhances their technical and professional skills in the field. They also work on the real case studies for various subjects, real-time projects, which gives application-based experiences to them and help them to develop professionally.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my last question to you is that what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
Yes, good question. Like the students are doing MCA, BO, but what about their careers? So the students can join the well-reputed IT organization as per the requirement of the company, as the curriculum covers all various subjects trending in the market nowadays. A BO program aims at imparting education that builds specific job skills in the students so that they can serve the industries better. After completing a degree in BO, candidate can start working in their chosen field immediately. Students will get opportunities in various IT companies. Thus, students are benefited in various ways after pursuing this course.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am, for connecting with us and for giving us your valuable time. It was very good to hear you, and I thank you again for being a part of the initiative.
Thank you. Thank you, Neha.